how to properly use a stethoscope. So I'll begin by looking at the parts. This part here is the diaphragm, this one is the bell, and this part is the stem. So this is the tubing, these are the ear tubes, these are the earpieces. So how to properly use a stethoscope? The instructions are far overlooked, so I'll be showing you the basics. So there are three things that you need to take into consideration. Number one, how to wear it. Many people wear it wrongly. So we need to ensure that we place it in the correct way. So I want you to notice how they are curved, or how it's curved facing forward. So we need to wear it facing forward. Wow, you can hear my heartbeat. Dab, 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 dab. So if you wear it backwards, you won't hear anything. So number two, how to turn it on and off. So if you turn the tubing, you'll hear a click sound. So you are either turning the bell on or the diaphragm on. So if the bell is on, the diaphragm is off, and vice versa. Lastly, number three is how to use the diaphragm and the bell. So the diaphragm is used to detect high frequency sounds, and the bell is used to detect low frequency sounds. That is it. You have now learned how to use a stethoscope.